How to stop messages syncing between iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, scroll down and tap on Messages in iCloud. Here, turn off the use on this iPhone switch as shown. Tap on Disable and download messages to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily stop messages syncing between iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.